Hello everyone. I am here with another journal share. This one is made out of one of those Tim Holtz trifold things. I just cut part of it off and just used the cardboard or the chipboard part that has the band on it. And I just added this little, I don't know, decorative trim right here and did a little layering on the front and just put a little word towel. Did you see that big honking fly that just went whoop right through here? Oh my goodness, I've been chasing that thing around all day. Oh my goodness. But anyways, it just has this rubber band closure, and then she's a chunky one. If I let go of her, she gets really chunky. And she has, I can't remember how many signatures I put in here because I actually sewed in a whole bunch of signatures into a piece of fabric and then did the hidden spine closure. So that way wherever you open it, it just lays super flat. So I can't really remember how many signatures. Let me see. Yeah, I don't remember, I'm sorry. But anyways, the inside, I have a little pocket right here with some little layering on there and a big pocket. I just put this lace trim right here on this side. And we have, there's Artie Mae's in here and a couple others, and I don't remember who it is, so I will try to link everybody below that I used in here because I truly don't remember everyone. There's some Tsunami Rose, I know that. But yeah, I'll try to link everybody below, and it's a little stiff still, but it's getting not so stiff the more I mess with it. And we have old vintage English book page, some stamping and stenciling, just random pages, different stamps, stenciling, some little collaging there, lots of place for journaling, and we have a little pocket right here. It has some bee ephemera. This is a little envelope. It's empty. And just some little pieces of other ephemera. And this is just a stamped on piece of coffee dyed paper. And I just tucked that in there. And over here we have this is a decorative envelope, and we have a pocket behind it. It's just one of the big old mailing envelopes that you get in the mail, and I just decorated around it, collaged around it, and made a pocket with behind right here. And this is a little jars, and I just tucked it back there. And this is a journaling card, and I put it right there. And then we go to the next one. I tried to leave a bunch of, lots of journaling space and use the vintage book page. And here we have this journaling tag that I made just out of tidbits, is what I call it. And a little cluster there, and then this journaling card. This flips out. And I just did some punching on the ends. Over here is another pocket, and behind it we have this big journaling. And I backed it with, oh my goodness, Edith Holden pages on the back. And I just tucked that in there. And we have a pocket here, and this is just made out of book pages and tracing paper. And I just did a little collage there and there. Another fabric or sewn tag. Most of them are all on coffee dyed paper. And this is a little envelope, and I just tucked that in there. And in return, we have this, some more stamping. All the papers are coffee dyed except for the vintage ones. And here is a little glassine bag with a tag inside that I just did some more collaging on. And on the front as well with some cheesecloth behind it. Sorry. Another little journaling tag. And put some stamping there. And this is some Tim Holtz fabric ruffle right there. And this time I sewed it in like also with 5-stitch pamphlet stitch. I tried something new. That was kind of hard for me to do, only because I don't know why it was so hard for me to do, but it was. But I did it and it was fun. So yeah, here we have another little pocket, another tag, and this beautiful journaling tag, and they're all sewn on coffee dyed paper. I don't know why I think I have to sew everything. When I leave it like this, I just feel like it's naked, but it's not. It's gorgeous and it's on cardstock, but I just feel like they're naked. Some more stamping, some old vintage ordering page, and another journaling card. This one is an envelope as well, and I just did a little decorating on it. Put this cute little pieces of ephemera in this little pocket, tuck spot. And then we have, I also put book page inside this one, and we have this little tag, copy, or my glue fell over. Some more stamping, stenciling. I love the way this turned out so dark. Oops, that don't belong in there. That was holding my spot. I got some of my new stamp, or not new, my old stamps out and did some different stamping. And this is really vintage ledger. I love the feel of it. Back here we have a Edith Holden page. I just liked it because it has lines on it. And so I tucked that back there. And in this pocket, it's got 3 pockets. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3. I guess I can't count. And we have this tag. And this bird postcard. And this one. I try to do like a lot of I have a whole bunch of bird postcard tag journaling cards. And so I tried to use up some of those. Some tracing paper. And over here is these two. And on this one opens up and I put some lines on the inside. And there's, you know, the photo there and then the description back there. And this is just stapled on. It's an envelope and a doily, and I just tucked those in like that. And then this little advertisement just tucked in there. And you can take this envelope, let me just take it off. See, the doily is just on there, and there's nothing inside. And I just decorated the envelope. And then I just put that on like that. Where'd it go? And this tag goes behind it. This goes over here. I guess I should have just took it off in the first place, right? There we go. Now it's all back together. Some tracing paper, some stamps, that old ledger. And here is another envelope pocket tuck here. I just love the way that looks with the book page behind it. And we have this journaling card, another sewn one, and then this little calendar. Just tuck those in there. And then this journaling card goes inside the envelope, so you can see it through the window. And this one goes behind it, like that. This book just flopping all around. Oh my goodness. Seems like my journaling videos, my books just flop around. I don't know. Oh my goodness. We have all these cute little pieces of ephemera. It's just, these tickets are just paper clipped on, and on the other side, those are just the other side. And then I just have this eco-dyed printable that I think is Nick the Booksmith's. I'm pretty sure. This flips out. Here is another envelope doily thing that I did some layering on, and there's nothing inside the envelope. And then there's this journaling tag, and I just tuck that underneath there. I don't know if I had it this way. I don't know what I had. Oh my goodness. I'll do it like that. On this side we have this. This was a page. I just made it into a tag. And these two little tags. I just tucked this one in there and that one there. Some more stenciling, stamping, an old map page, atlas page. And there's this journaling card behind the envelope. And this one is inside the envelope. Window here, like so. And then we have these into the little pocket. I guess I could turn this one this way. And then this little one. Like that. The old atlas, old book page, and here are some little slides. I don't remember what Polaroid-like photos. I just tuck those on there. On the other side, we have these two little tags that I think this one was like this, and this one I just made. So, this is like an eggshell type paper. Here is another big pocket that I made out of tracing paper and typing paper with this big old tag. And this little tri-fold here. And I just added that little one on there. Just for something else to look at. And behind it is just some extra journaling paper. A coffee dyed page that I had laying here, so I just tucked it in there for more journaling space. I love this page. I love the feel of old pages. See how it's kind of stiff still? But it's getting down there. It was really stiff because those trifold pages are so stiff. And I just did a little collage there and a faux little envelope that I do. And, oops, fumble fingers. And then just these little pieces tucked in there. And that is this little fatty. I wanted to put a different closure on it after the fact, but then it would just look really weird, so I didn't. I just decided to leave it like this. That way it can get super big if you want it to be way chunky. And yeah, this one is available, and if I will link my Facebook and Bloom and Sticks Creations below, and you can catch me on either one of those. Send me a message if you are interested, and I will give you all the information on her. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not, and if you are already, thank you so very much, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.